My name is Mary Angel P. Marasigan. I live at Santa Cruz, Ginto, Bulacan. I'm studying Our Lady of Manaoag, Montessori College, located at San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan, taking a course of Associate Information Technology and Management. I graduated my high school in Pilisardo Silifana National High School, located at Santa Rita, Ginto, Bulacan. I graduated in elementary in Colonel P. Pasha Memorial High School, located in Dita, Cuenca, Batangas. I'm 18 years old. My birthday is on March 19, 1991. My civil status, single. My nationality is Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. My seminar attended adventure-based team building workshop that conducted by Lubin Incorporation, held in Sitio Lucia Training Center and Hotel Resort Santa Maria, Bulacan, last October 2009. And basic computer networking held in Travel City Hotel, Baguio City, last August 2008. My special skills: I can operate a Microsoft Office, all kinds, likely Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, and database. I also operate a programming, and data language. May character references: Mrs. Mary Jane Capigi, School Administration, Olma. And second, Mrs. Jeremy Joy Santiago, English Instructress, Olma. Lastly, Miss Rachel Yavot, a Civil Engineering, Culpema Marketing.